Where do people turn when they have a problem and want a solution? Think. They look for a video with the answer. You know it. Everyone's doing it now. All age groups, all topics, and you could capitalize on that. What's the easiest way to make informative videos of any kind? Well, pay attention because you are about to unlock how to get in on one of the fastest growing video industries on the web. I'm talking about a slice of what's predicted to be a multi-billion-dollar pie. Hi, I'm Todd Gross, and I absolutely love video, as you may know. It's the most effective way to reach your audience, to inform, to teach, to deliver any type of message at all. It's not just about video marketing. In fact, it's funny because it's almost like it's assumed that video and marketing are synonymous with one another. And it's the best way to be successful using video. But in my opinion, there's a much better way. It's just not true. There's another more versatile and lucrative avenue that you can easily tap into with the right software. Yup, there is a monster market growing like a weed that each and every one of us can capitalize on. I've done it already. And you could create profitable online businesses with. That's the show me video market, with an emphasis on screen capture. The videos that show how certain software works by showing the software itself. The videos that show the solution to millions of problems where you don't even necessarily have to be in the video yourself, or you could just voice it over. The videos that teach, that train, that inform, and make you into an instant, valuable go-to person for whatever your interest or your target niche is. That's how I started, by creating videos showing how to use software with back office tours of the software. Now, I got paid a pretty penny to make these training videos, and it made me into a valuable player that could barter my talents, and it opened the door after door after door for me. It's the easiest way to, break into training sites like Udemy as an example, or to show a solution on YouTube where you can garner thousands and thousands of views from people that are looking for a solution to their problem, and you could monetize those videos. It's the easiest, I guess you could call it, talent to possess and use to make contact with software developers to help them train others how to use their programs. That's what I did. But there is a big problem. Good software that both captures the screen and offers all the editing features you need to make high-quality explainer videos that we've come accustomed to can be very expensive, to the tune of hundreds of dollars. And even if you find the software that you want, you purchase it for that few $100s, guess what? It goes up in price effectively because you have to pay for the upgrades as they come out year after year, each version. What if there was a cloud-based video editing software, though, that was a mere fraction of the price, and you only had to pay one time, and you had unlimited use for unlimited projects? What if there was that software? And what if it was equipped with the following: all the must-have editing features, screen capture, voice record, and even text-to-speech with language translation? What if it had all that? Well, today, my team, along with Brabant Technologies, has produced that very software. We're offering it in the form of something called VidSnatcher. That's the software package that you are going to flip over, the last video editing tool that you'll need for years to come. It's an exciting time with the advances in technology of video creation, and there's no need for you to be on camera if you don't want to. There's no need to even speak to create the great videos if you don't want to, with the text-to-speech, of course, which we include. And now you could create videos in virtually any language, including this explainer kind of video that I'm talking about. It eliminates the language barriers. It opens up access to new markets all around the world. It's this type of game-changing technology, combined with the hyper-growth in the how-to, training, and e-learning industries, that is currently setting the stage for each and every one of us to totally capitalize in a massive way with video. And VidSnatcher is going to help you make that happen. VidSnatcher's completely open canvas editing style with screen capture technology enables you to create any type of video, and it is perfect for how-to explainer videos. Now imagine creating how-to videos, a course, a training course for VidSnatcher itself. That's just one example of what you can do. You could actually train other people to use this very software. You could translate it into Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Italian. You get the picture. It's a business in a box already. And publish all of them on YouTube to drive affiliate marketing sales. You've just unlocked potential sales in each one of those markets. And the strategy is applicable to literally every single niche that exists. Now, as I mentioned, VidSnatcher is a truly open canvas type video editor. So you can take video from other apps. That's really important, whether it's a whiteboard video maker or Kinetic or Spokesperson or live action, screencast, animation. The list goes on. All those video editors that you may already have, now you have the tool to combine the pieces, edit and enhance them to truly create a uniquely customized video. With VidSnatcher, there really is no limit. The feature is abundant. Screen capture, as you already know, is huge and missing from so many video editors out there. And now you have that missing piece right there. Green screen editing, one of my favorite features, of course. Or how about being able to play back a video that you're editing and record your voice all at the same time within the editor. You could add transitions between clips, you could add and edit text overlays, you can import icons from the icon library. It's built right in. You could upload subtitles, even share media directly from your media bin, and much more. And everything that you import and create is easily edited with VidSnatcher's drag and drop timeline style editing interface. Now, each video that you produce is rendered in full HD quality. And since VidSnatcher is in the cloud, there's no downloading of the software needed. You don't have to worry about that. And importantly, you don't have to worry about updates. We handle it all on our end. You don't have to shell out more money with each version update. If you create a larger project and you don't want to wait for it to render, you could close your browser and the video continues to process in the background. Obviously, it's processing on our end, so you don't have to worry about that at all. We even send you an email as soon as it's finished so that you can download it. Your extremely minimal one-time investment for VidSnatcher Commercial will be the last that you'll have to make for a video editor for years. It doesn't get any better than that. And remember, this is a tool geared to propelling you into one of the fastest growing online markets for years to come. Now is the time to move on this. You will see that you could use VidSnatcher in so many ways, literally every day, to help you drive your business forward with video. So don't miss this opportunity. That is, of course, backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't believe that over the next several days, months, or even years, that you'll recoup your small one-time investment today, we will send your money back. Take advantage of this very limited time offer to get VidSnatcher and start right now.
Hello and welcome to the demonstration of VidSnatcher. This demonstration was produced using VidSnatcher's text-to-speech. This is such a powerful feature that we will dive into more a bit later. Okay, let's get started. I want to point out that there are training videos on everything we're about to go over right here. So you always have a helpful reference if you ever have questions about how to use features in VidSnatcher. So first, we need to log in. Once we're logged in, the first step is to select the canvas size of the video we want to create. A 1:1 ratio is very popular for videos shown on social media, and a 16:9 ratio is your standard video size. For this demo I am going to select the standard size. So, now we're in the editing dashboard of VidSnatcher. As you can see, it is an open canvas video editor with complete editing flexibility. At any point if you need to adjust the video size or canvas color, you can go right here to project properties. Change canvas size by selecting a preset size or entering a custom size to suit your specific need. Easily change the color right here. Now, onto the fun part. In order to create a video, we must add media. You can add media from your computer such as video, music, images, even animated GIFs. Let's go ahead and add some so you can see how it works. I'm going to select this video, and you see the upload progress in your media bin right here. Once it's uploaded, you can simply drag and drop it into the timeline. I am going to upload an image as well, so I can show you how media within the timeline interacts. Now I'll drag and drop the image into the timeline. There we go, now you can see how easy it is to drag the media around. You can shorten it like this. You can split media in half. Place the timeline marker where you want to split the media. Then click the break icon. Voila! You now have two separate pieces of media. You can copy, cut and paste media, as well as undo and redo any changes you make, all right here within the timeline. You can zoom in and out on the timeline for even more detailed editing. Add more layers for additional media, as well as hide and lock media within each layer for a better editing experience. I'll go ahead and hide this layer. You see, now the content is gone. And this is how you lock the media. It makes it easy to edit without affecting media you don't want to alter. As you can see, it is a very straightforward, intuitive, editing interface. Another way to add media is to create it directly from the VidSnatcher dashboard in the form of screen record and voice record. To show this, I am going to start a new project. These are the tools that will be extremely helpful to you when you're creating any type of training and tutorial videos. First, let's look at the screen capture since it's most important. Simply click record screen right here. It will give you the option to disable your mic if you don't want sound, as well as the options to record your full desktop screen. Or you can record a specific tab open on your computer. Let me show you. If using Chrome, it will give you the option to record the full desktop, a specific tab, or a specific application window. In this case, I am going to take a screen record of the VidSnatcher training video page. Just click Share. And we're off. I am now recording this page. I have full functionality over the page while it's recording. Perfect for how-to and training videos. Once you're done recording, press the stop button at the top of the page and the file automatically starts converting in your media bin. It will take a little bit of time to process, but then it's ready to use in your video. Very nice. The voice record works the same way. You can press record and record your voice. You can even press play on the timeline while it's recording. So if you wish to speak along with media already on the timeline, you can do it seamlessly, and it will match up perfectly. So once you click to stop the recording, it will automatically process in your media bin. But what if you don't want to record your voice or speak in the videos you create? This is where a robot like me comes in handy. This is the very powerful, built-in text-to-speech feature with language translation that really elevates VidSnatcher above other open canvas editors on the internet. Getting started, simply click the speaker icon here to access text-to-speech. Now watch. Type in what you want to say here. Then select the language you want to use. You can see just how many languages there are built into VidSnatcher. Let's choose Japanese. Once the language is selected, click Translate. You can see it translates it in the text box. Now you can scroll down and pick a voice type. There are two options: Standard, or Wave, which is more advanced, but limited on languages. For this demo, we will use the standard voice. So the language is Japanese. Then, I can choose between a male or female voice. I will select female. Some languages, like English for example, open the option to select different accents, like my voice. It is in English language with Australian accent. The Japanese accent is the default in this case. Once you've selected those settings, simply click to search voices. Two different voices populate. I can select and listen to either one before I import it into my media library.
VidSnatcher は私のビデオ編集のニーズに使用するための素晴らしいツールです。 VidSnatcher は、私のビデオ編集のニーズに使用するための素晴らしいツールです。
I am going to select the second option and add it to my media library. You can see just how powerful that is, in that you can create videos in so many different languages and reach audiences around the world. The first time ever this can be done with an open canvas video editor in the cloud. Now since we are in the cloud, I am going to save my work. You'll want to save frequently, as you never know when there may be a bad internet connection. Now that I've saved my project, I can show you another really neat feature that is unique to VidSnatcher. You can actually share media directly from your media bin. So VidSnatcher can work like WeTransfer to send media files, but it's directly through the VidSnatcher dashboard. I simply click the share button, here. Give it a name, and click Generate Shareable Link. I can then copy the link and send the URL to anyone for an instant download. That's such a neat feature. I am going to go ahead and export this video to show you how that works, before I move on to the green screen editing feature in VidSnatcher. After the project is saved, I simply click Export. The video gets put into queue and starts rendering. At this point you can close your browser, and your computer, and the process will continue. You'll receive an email as soon as your video is available for download. If you want to check the progress of your video, you can click My Video right here, and follow real-time how far along your video render is. It's that simple. We've just gone through adding media, creating media with screen and voice records, easily sharing media, adding text-to-speech and language translation, how easy it is to use the editing tools and move media around the timeline, as well as saving and processing your work. It's just amazing how much you can do with VidSnatcher. And ladies and gentlemen, after all of that, there's even more to show you. Let's open another project and look at the green screen removal feature. I've already added this green screen video of Todd. Now watch how simple this is. First, add the video you want to remove the green screen from, to the timeline. It may take a little bit of time to get the video ready for green screen removal, depending on the speed of your internet. Then, select the media, and click Remove Green Screen, here. Use the color picker to choose the green color you want to remove, just like this. Let's leave the default settings for now and click Apply Changes, then we can go back and make edits and keep applying the changes until we get the result we want. So there's still a bit of green showing. Let's move the similarity and the blend up a bit and see what that does. Perfect. Then just click Save Changes and the background removal process starts. So incredibly easy. Now let's take a look at even more neat things you can do to your videos. You can add icons to your videos, search by keyword and simply drag the image into the timeline. You can even edit the size and position of the icon directly in the preview window. Change the properties of the icons over here if you'd like. You can add text overlays as well. Let's go wild and translate to Chinese. You can translate, change fonts, color, and size. And we can add that to the timeline. Again, you can change the text effect in this window here. Add different shapes too, and edit and change them however you wish. And of course transitions, you can add fade-in effects, fade-out effects, for media objects, and sounds. You can actually see how the object will enter or exit the video when you click the corresponding transition. You can even upload subtitles to use in your videos. Just fantastic. That's VidSnatcher in a nutshell. It's limitless in what you can do with your videos using VidSnatcher. The complete open canvas with timeline editing makes it extremely flexible, and the amazing features really send this cloud-based app over the top. For the low one-time price this is today, you must take advantage, especially since it is the commercial version you're getting. Thanks for taking the time to check out VidSnatcher, and I hope to see you inside, and make sure you use my voice. I think I sound fabulous, don't you agree?